Imagine a school of flying fish darting across the water, their long fins spread wide like the wings of seabirds. They are not only symbols of resilience but also a vital food source across the world. In the pitch-black darkness of the vast ocean, fishermen skillfully wield the glow of blazing torches on their boats to lure the flying fish. These silver-scaled creatures, enchanted by the dazzling light, leap out of the water, creating a surreal spectacle against the Black Sea. This is a relentless pursuit, an artful chase between man and nature. Flying fish, with their wings spread above the surface, are not only symbols of endurance but also a precious food resource. Every year, hundreds of thousands of tons of flying fish are harvested to meet the enormous demands of the global market. But the journey from ocean to shore, and then to becoming a delicacy on the dining table, is a captivating story of its own. Fishermen know that flying fish are attracted to light and often leap out of the water to travel. When the flames blaze on the calm ocean, the fish are instantly drawn to it. In the middle of the night, the silver fish break the surface, creating gentle ripples that shimmer under the light. Experienced fishermen rely on the direction of the wind, the flow of currents, and even the stars above to predict when the fish will emerge. It's a game of skill and patience, an art handed down from generation to generation. As the boats return at dawn, the shimmering silver catch signals the arrival of lively morning markets waiting on the coast. As soon as the boats dock, flying fish are sorted by size and swiftly packed into large ice boxes to preserve their freshness. Workers quickly remove the heads and fins of the fish with sharp knives, thoroughly washing and briefly steaming them to maintain their natural texture. Every step requires meticulousness, professionalism, and speed to ensure the fish meets the highest quality standards. Processed flying fish can become many delightful dishes. Canned flying fish is the perfect choice for quick, convenient meals, maintaining its exquisite flavor and nutritional value. In coastal regions of Japan, flying fish are often grilled over hot coals, releasing their distinctive aroma, or dried to be preserved for longer periods. Dried fish is commonly used as an ingredient in rich broths or various homemade dishes. These dishes are not just food, they are cultural memories tied to warm family meals and long-standing traditions. So, the journey of the flying fish is not only about the chase between man and the ocean, but also about the preservation of cultural values and culinary arts. Dishes made from flying fish not only offer unique flavors but also carry the stories of entire communities. Stay tuned for more journeys ahead, where fascinating stories are waiting to be discovered.